Assalamualaikum students. Today we come with the lecture number 4, and in this lecture we'll be discussing the brain and its major division. And as you all know, we have discussed before in first lectures that brain and spinal cord are the part of what CNS, and CNS is well protected by three components. Number one, layers, outermost layers, meninges, and number two, bones, that is skull. And number three is cerebrospinal fluid. It's written over here. And brain, you must know about brain, where it lies. It lies in the cranial cavity and is continuous with the spinal cord through foramen magnum. Clear? Means it is in the cranial cavity, and from the downward it is continuous towards the spinal cord through foramen magnum. And we have discussed before that spinal cord, where it lies till L1 or L2. Clear? And then they have discussed about the three meninges. Outermost is dura, middle one is arachnoid, and the inner one is pyometer, right? Now come to words, and we all know that cerebrospinal fluid, where it lies in the subarachnoid space. Now come towards the next part. How many parts it is divided? Brain is divided into three major divisions in ascending order from the spinal cord. We'll see from the downward. Here comes the hindbrain, then the midbrain, and a very small portion, and then the forebrain. Firstly, listen all these explanations, then I'll be explaining you with the diagram. So hindbrain, it may be subdivided into medulla oblongata, pons, and cerebellum, right? From downward, you will see what comes the first, medulla, pons, and then the cerebellum. The forebrain may be divided into the encephalon. Between the brain, it is not seen if we cut it into anterior, right and left, then internally which part is being seen is what? The encephalon, which is the central part of forebrain, and what? Cerebrum. These both portions are what called, these both parts, forebrain, the part of forebrain. And then the brainstem, a collective term we're using, the medulla oblongata, pons, and midbrain. यानी मिड ब्रेन और हाइंड ब्रेन के ये दो पार्ट्स कलेक्टिवली मिलकर ब्रेन स्टेम बनाएंगे, और ये वो पार्ट है ब्रेन का जो रिमेन करेगा आफ्टर सेरिब्रल हेमिस्फीयर एंड cerebellum are removed. Now come towards the diagram. We have diagram 1.8. I'll be explaining you all the parts of brain. Forebrain we have in the front, right, and what it calls cerebrum, and internal will be called as the cortex. We'll be discussing that. फिर इसके बाद हमारे पास आता है मिड ब्रेन के बाद हमारे पास फिर इसके बाद हमारे पास ये मिड ब्रेन वाला पार्ट आ जाता है, फोर ब्रेन, मिड ब्रेन, एंड देन हाइंड ब्रेन में हमारे पास ये सबसे नीचे मेडुला ऑब्लोंगेटा, इससे नीचे जाके स्पाइनल कोड रन करेगी, और इसकी बैक पे देखें सेरिबेलम है ये. Medulla oblongata, pons, and here lies what? Midbrain, and then the forebrain, and these are the part of hindbrain. There, ये inferior view है. So till here I hope so you all understand. Next lectures will be uploaded further in detail, और इसकी बेसिक्स आपको पता होंगी तो आगे फर्दर टर्मिनोलॉजी समझना आसान होगा. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.